Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now this video today is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today there is no guest, it is freestyle, and I cannot wait to see you there. Let's get started, guys. Now, I decided to decorate my table today in green leaves, and so that's what I'm calling it. So we're starting out here with the place setting. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? I am loving it. So let me tell you what's here on the table. I have this checkered napkin. That was a gifted item. And then we also have that napkin ring from Kirkland's. And here is my flatware. And this came from Home Goods. Now we move on over to the dishware. Isn't this gorgeous, guys? This was a thrifted item. I am loving it. And so it is leaves. It's just so gorgeous to me. Now we move on over to the charger. So this is a wood charger I also thrifted. Very budget-friendly Tablescape, guys. As well as this beautiful placemat that was also thrifted at the Goodwill. Now we move on over to this wine glass, which I bought at Dollar Tree. And then the water glass did come from the Goodwill. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and place everything back so that you can see how I layered this. Now let's move on over to the centerpiece. So I have this vine that I circled around this trumpet vase. Both of these were thrifted items. Then I just put all my greenery inside of the vase. A couple of pine cones inside there, so you know this is definitely hitting fall. Now this is a DIY I just recently made. Isn't that gorgeous? What a beautiful centerpiece. All of this with greenery with a touch or two of color. And then we're going to move on over here to the two candles. So all of this, let me see, the candles came from the Dollar Tree. The candle holders came from the Goodwill. Then we have that greenery. And now this is what my tablescape is looking like. Here we are at the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you guys. Amen.